43 killed in massive fire in Delhi's Anuj Mand. And Farmers' Convention on Impact of Climate Change held. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. A massive fire broke out early morning in Delhi's Anuj Mandi area today, in which at least 43 people have died so far. Several leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, President Ramnath Kovind, expressed their condolences to the families of those who were killed in the fire incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today termed the fire incident in Delhi's Anuj Mandi area as extremely horrific. A massive fire swept through a factory in Anuj Mandi area of North Delhi this morning, leaving 43 laborers dead and many others injured. Prime Minister Modi said that the fire in Delhi's Anuj Mandi on Rani Jhansi Road is extremely horrific. He also assured to provide all possible assistance at the site of the tragedy, he added. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal described the incident as tragic and said firemen were doing their best. Offering condolences, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi extended his deepest condolences to the families of those killed and wished for the speedy recovery of those injured. A total of 59 people were inside the factory operating from a residential area when the blaze broke out, according to reports. The fire was reported at 5:22 a.m., following which 30 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Chaotic scenes were witnessed at the site of the fire incident, with relatives and locals rushing to the area. Distraught relatives tried to locate their family members at various hospitals where the injured and dead were taken. As per preliminary reports, a short circuit is said to be the cause behind the fire. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has ordered a magisterial probe into the Anuj Mandi fire incident in Rani Jhansi Road that killed at least 43 people today. The Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government has sought a detailed report within 7 days. Revenue Minister Kailash Galot directed District Magistrate Central to conduct an inquiry and submit a report within 7 days. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal visited the incident site to get a first-hand report of the situation and announced an ex gratia relief of Rs 10 lakh for the families of those who were killed in the tragic incident and a compensation of Rs 1 lakh for those who were injured. A one-day farmers' convention on the theme Impact of Climate Change, Sustainable Solution and Food Sovereignty was held today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School, Imphal. The event was organized by Irabot Foundation, Manipur. President of Irabot Foundation, Manipur, Th. Ajit, Chief Conservator of Forest 3, Th. Mohendra Pratap, Associate Professor of Economics Department, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglen Maisnam, Social Scientist, Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Joint Director of Animal Husbandry, Dr. Ch. Nadakishore, and Agronomist of Agriculture Department, Elsana Tumba, participated in the convention. Deputy Director of Environment and Ecology, Dr. T. Brajakumar, opined that people are responsible for causing drought-like situations in Manipur where rainfall is received for 6 months in a year. He expressed displeasure over natural environment disturbances given by people for their selfish motives. Talking further, Brajakumar underlined every individual's initiative to make Manipur a self-dependent state in every aspect. On the other hand, Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Ajit said that Irabot Foundation Manipur has been working hard for making the state self-dependent on food items. He also expressed concern over climate change. He added the experts attending the convention will help in coming up with the solutions to this issue.
Waste mayam huntok matamda waste singsi akoina ngasagi tumbang amba waste ama tumbang amba waste ama hadi plastic kumba glass kumba yod kumba laibi tumbang de posachi tunga tunga khandok piraga akoina waste on hondok pi patarasu hondok piu aduga phajana sembiu aduga ngasai tumbang amba de posina kari kan mafam da thamaga kamai tawdana madubu regenerate tawdege to kai karma film la singu dege hai posu madu plan to biu government myam puno punna cooperation pinraga ngai samas akoi khuna ese koi sakhona ba maru oina ngasi di akoi di sathok puthok pada wataba mikha pondaba sabata pada mikha pondaba khuna bi do ominaraga konsin himinasi.
A one-day training program on beekeeping was jointly conducted by Friendly Environmental Warriors, Juribam and the new incarnation Kalinagar at the auditorium of IRCA at Kalinagar, Juribam district. Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, MFICL, Vice Chairman cum FEW Chief Advisor K. Sarat Kumar, IRCA Project Coordinator S. Jiten Singh, FEW Juribam President K. Puna Singh, State Awardee H. Rajan Kumar Singh were among the people who were present during the program. Talking at the event, K. Sarat Kumar said that the training program will help in improving the economy of Juribam to some extent through apiculture. He also assured to sponsor bee boxes to interested individuals in the district.
Madu sana na bukan apa dah, hakim magi lagi, kari tahu ya bagi habis financial assistance kari tahu juga, ekoi lagi juga naharul singgi, yumda yang dorong dah koi po ani lagi na bawa na termanga bawa manunda, hamna na bagi plan doi technical expert ke tanah lagi madu tahu juga.
On the other hand, S. Jiten Singh said the training program will immensely benefit every trainee. He added IRCA will organize such vocational programs in future too. Thangmaiban United Club TUC has extended support to the 50-hour Manipur total shutdown called by Manpack to register a fresh protest against Citizenship Bill. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack will also join the Northeast-wide protest by imposing the shutdown from 1 a.m. of December 9 till 3 a.m. of December 11. Manpack on Saturday announced a series of protests against CAB, which will begin from December 8, addressing the media at the club office located at Nagamapal Kangjabi Ground. TUC President Pratap Leshangthem showed everyone's support to the proposed shutdown, saying CAB is a state issue. Pratap urged that people from all walks of life in Thangmaiban should extend support to the strike.
Thangmaiban United Labour Club sing upon the body na okay. Hariba men peki kongjang asi lebak ki achoba issue oibanina masi Manipur gi tungi miron gi damakta khalla kanda tawriba kongjang asi da saruk chapchana madugi akoina lauraiba phirep ta akoi chapchana support tawgani maduda fattanu da tholabadi madu masa masa gi diet oijagadabani tawdabu dharma karma magi tawdaba yadaba thabak singi damakta akoi madudi athoi gi volunteer sing madu konthok piu maduga media sing anayak mayam lak matam da di madu koi fire brigade adagi sigumba lak matam da di koi komthok piu.
Let's take a short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Foundation course for class 9 and 10. Subjects Science, Social Science and Mathematics. Starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Ano ba madi nungai pa? Government ki thaba ma soina phangba yargani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gi damakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaliba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hanagan. ICS ki thoidoba officers singdi course amakak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haiba singa sidida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari nataga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum nataga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makhal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phangbiragani
amadi adom ge achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano makhal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitayananda Temple natragana Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hizam Diwan Laikai
aikoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Traditional Healing Center Adungai ipa ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidang na laying jari iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari hakchanggi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagatpa ngamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba layingni ngasi maglengsin biro Traditional Healing Center National Game Village Road Lamfelpat 795004 contact number 9612558587.
Welcome back after the break. Romay Naga Baptist Center Church Imphal, RNBA-CCI, today celebrated the joyous occasion of Advent Christmas 2019 at RNBA-CCI Langol Tarung, Imphal. Hundreds of people from different places attended the celebration. Gospel sermon on Christmas by church pastor, Christmas carol by church choirs, church deacons and youth department added amusement to the festivity. The India-China joint exercise titled Hand in Hand 2019 began at the Joint Training Node JTN, Umrah in Meghalaya yesterday. The 8th edition of the bilateral exercise will continue till December 20, 2019. The People's Liberation Army PLA contingent comprising 130 personnel of the Tibet Military Command arrived at the Air Force Station, Bojar in Guwahati on Friday. This is for the first time that the joint military exercise between Indian and Chinese Army is taking place in India's northeast, a substantial portion of which is often claimed by the China as its own territory. China's northeast shares over 1,200 kilometers long boundary with China, including some disputed areas, which also led to the standoff between the two countries in 2017, known as Domlan standoff. A massive anti-citizenship amendment bill protest is staged today in Assam. According to reports, several organizations took part in statewide protest rally during which the protesters chanted anti-CAB bill and anti-BJP government slogans. On the other hand, All Assam Students Union had called for Assam Bandh tomorrow in condemnation of the contentious CAB, which is likely to table in the parliament next week. Meanwhile, students of Cotton University and Dibrugarh University also took out a protest rally against the bill. Tripura has become the first state in the northeast where ration card portability network has been operationalized. Tripura is the third state in the country after Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to introduce the system. It is of the view that in 27 ration shops of FPS in mountainous, remote interior and bordering areas, the portability networks could not be introduced due to unavailability of telephonic connectivity. There are 10,072 ration card holders comprising 46,185 people under 27 FPS. To maintain the portability networks and to carry on PDS and some of the FPS's service of Geo, Railtel and being utilized as the networks of state-owned BSNL are not available in those areas as per a report. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned.
India ki ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingset purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanaminaba gi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba gymni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churachampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chingbagi sanaba khudongchaba su phangbigani. Ayuk pung 5 dagina numidang pung 9 phawba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidama Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsin birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churachampur Parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakachel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features, mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. The Narendra Modi government, it is learned, has refused to meet Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's special envoy Madhav Kumar Nepal, according to media reports. He was expected to arrive on a trip to New Delhi earlier last week to discuss the contentious issue of Kalapani. Kalapani is a 35 square kilometer area which is claimed by both India and Nepal as an integral part of their territories. India claims it to be a part of Uttarakhand's Pithoraga district and Nepal as part of its Darchula district. Madhav Kumar Nepal, the former Prime Minister of the landlocked country and senior leader of the Nepal Communist Party, is expected to visit India to discuss the latest row between New Delhi and Kathmandu over Kalapani, according to media reports. Nepal wanted to meet Modi to urge him for a foreign secretary-level dialogue mechanism to settle the border dispute. However, the Indian government refused to meet the special envoy. Now let's take a look at the sports news. .43 Assam Rifles Moray organized a friendly volleyball match at the Indo-Myanmar border village of Holenphai yesterday. The match was kicked off by Brigadier Sunil Shiran of 26th Sector. The friendly match was also attended by 43 Assam Rifles Commandant Sumit Sood and Holenphai village chief Lalkulun Haukip distributed prizes to the winners. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, government to table CAB in Lok Sabha on Monday. AMSU calls 15-hour strike. Women folk march to Dr. Ranjan's residence. Unnao Rev victim succumbs to burns. The People's Chronicle, amid calls of ban in Northeast, government all set to table CA bill. Manpack reaffirms stand against CAB in state. High Court directs government to submit Nirbhaya Fund use report. Chief Minister inspects preparedness of Japanese Prime Minister's visit. AMSU calls for 15 hours statewide shutdown on December 10th. Imphal Free Press, Manpack announces intensified agitation against CAB. High Court wraps state government on zero utilization of Nirbhaya Fund. Meghalaya civil body to move Supreme Court against CAB. AMSU calls 15-hour total shutdown on December 10th. Women anti-CAB protesters storm MP Ranjan's residence. Saving Northeast indigenous population lies in hand of MPs. The Morning Bell, Manpack calls statewide anti-CAB protest. Total shutdown. Imphal Dimapur flight commences. Such connectivity will create deeper connectivity between Manipur and Nagaland, says Chief Minister. Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurates Shanghai enclosure at Zoological Garden. MPDA condemns arrest of Manpack leaders as irresponsible. Minister Nemcha Kipgen disburses fund of MOAP. Manipur Mail, Imphal Dimapur flight service begins. Shyam Kumar inaugurates Shanghai enclosure. Will move Supreme Court to stop CAB, says Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. .43 killed in massive fire in Delhi's Anaj Mand. And Farmers' Convention on Impact of Climate Change held. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.